Dear friends, today I am going to talk, is Israel-Hamas conflict and situation of world is helping China to take bold step. Let's see what happened till day 24th of Israel-Hamas conflict. Dear friends, the conflict is becoming all the more frightening with killing of more and more Hamas terrorists and Gaza civilians, leading to destruction of the residences where even hospitals are not spared from the bombs of the Air Force, tanks and naval ships of IDF in the Mediterranean Sea. They have destroyed some more hospitals like Al-Qudus in Turkey. It was found that Hamas headquarters, the command and communication network center with weapons have been stored in underground tunnels and terrorists living there underneath, right below the biggest hospital, Al-Safi of Gaza also. Many structures suspected to be hideouts of Hamas terrorists and or their sympathizers have also been pulverized by bombing or by bulldozers. Hamas fighters confronting the Israeli army were either killed or being captured. Analogously, the Jenin city of West Bank, which in the hotbed of Hamas insurgent activities, mainly in the guerrilla war, the IDF is fighting face to face with killing of commandant 20 Hamas fighters and arrested many. A war tactic. IDF is fighting in Lebanon and destroyed 3 posts of Hezbollah, but it has not remained as one-sided as for Iraq attacks US military base in Iraq. In retaliation, Israel attacked Syria with anti-tank missiles and destroyed their launching pads. The terrorist outfit like Hamas, Hezbollah and Houthi have been continuously firing rockets, mortars and missiles on the various cities of Israel. Though Israeli Iron Dome obstructing quite a few and destroying them, it has been keeping the citizens on their tenterhook who would rush towards bunkers and shelters. The continued attack have destroyed over 1,500 cars and residents and innumerable number of vehicles on the roads and overall infrastructure of the country. Thank God, the maximum quantity of humanitarian aid reached Gaza today via Egypt relief to the poor in Gaza. Many countries are helping. Though there is a worldwide, even including India, much more support for Palestinians. Worldwide, Palestinians are getting support more than those of Israelis. The situation turned for the worst today when a flight from Tel Aviv, obviously carrying so many Jews, overwhelming number of Jews, landed in Russia. That's Makhan Kala airport of Russia. But here, some ugly scenes were witnessed between Jews and Palestinians who gathered in large number, injuring some passengers. Israeli government sent a strong protest to Russia through its ambassador, but this conflict may have many ramifications, the worst being turning into serious world problem. We briefly discuss the following 3 very damaging and dangerous developments. Now, first and foremost is Erdogan from Turkey threatens crusade. Erdogan, the president of Turkey, known for his strong Islamic views, has threatened that he would be sending 100 helicopters for helping Hamas, not caring for the fact that he is a part of 32-member strong NATO group. He named Netanyahu a murderer and war criminal. And he also said West is equally responsible for this slaughter of Muslims. He further added that the Turkey will again lead crusade between Jews and Islam for the 3rd time, which Islam had continued to fight with Jews since 1000 years ago. And Turkey, then Ottoman Empire, had led this war way back in 1500 and now will again led by him. The Islam had been done for 54 times encircling Jerusalem for 23 times and have destroyed Jerusalem twice. Name of Jew-Islam war may arouse feeling and all the Islamic world countries. Remember, all the Islamic world countries may unite because jihad is strong. Binding force. It's very strong binding force with both Iran and Turkey. They are financially and militarily very strong nation. Now, second point is Iran wants a revenge from USA. As already expressed, Iran though a Shia country, has many takers for binding force in the name of Islam and has old scores to settle with USA. Now presently, Iran has backing of Russia, China, North Korea, and can certainly put Biden under deep pressure. And third situation is President Biden with the West Bloc, South Korea, Japan, Australia, and many European countries like England, UK, like France at its back, has to show the world that no one can dare to cow down USA, even if both the Marxist giants unite against USA. He would never want to make leftist bloc to make world unipolar. अमेरिका जानता है उसकी बादशाहत तो रहेगी ही, and Biden is not bragging however hard Russia and China may try. They can't beat USA both in economy and nuclear capabilities. And Russia must understand that if war between Ukraine and Russia lasting till mid-2024, its economy would fall to its 1990 level. Even China is in trouble with respect to declining economy. But you must take one thing under consideration. War of Ukraine and Russia going on. War of Israel with Hamas, with Lebanon, with Syria, to some extent Egypt. Then Iran is also eager to enter the war. Turkey has threatened to send 100 helicopters. Turkey is entering the war. So if so many countries start entering in this war, USA have to fight at many fronts. If USA is busy in many fronts, it will lead a very big opportunity to opportunistic nation like China to attack Taiwan, because America is going to be busy in many fronts, because their Chinese people or Russians are creating situation like that, so that USA should be busy in many fronts and China can take a very big advantage of this. They can attack Taiwan because America won't be free at that time, so it may not be in that position to save Taiwan, so China can take advantage, and this may lead to a very frightening world war. Thank you very much.
इस त्योहार अपने कार लेके आओ सुजुकी बाइक एंड स्कूटी दे नाल ही पाओ 5000 तक का कैशबैक 100% तक का लोन। इस दे नाल होर भी आकर्षक ऑफर मिलो। वर्मा सुजुकी जलंधर बाईपास होशियारपुर।
अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट करें www.swastikalife.com।
ਹੋਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮਲਟੀ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡ ਕਾਰ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਡੈਮੇਜ ਅਤੇ ਐਕਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ 50% तक ਦੀ लेबर छूट ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ है। आज ही पहुंचो वर्मा ऑटो टांडा रोड होशियारपुर।
क्या आप जोड़ों के दर्द से परेशान हैं? बैठने या चलने में दर्द होना, गठिया, कंधों की जकड़न, खिलाड़ियों को होने वाले दर्द, पुरानी डिस्क की बीमारी और गर्दन दर्द से बिना दवाई के छुटकारा पाएं। एट सरदार दीदार सिंह मेमोरियल जॉइंट केयर फिजियोथेरेपी एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर।
यहाँ है क्लास 4 लेजर थेरेपी, फिजियोथेरेपी, ऑस्टियोपैथी और मसाज थेरेपी। सरदार दीदार सिंह मेमोरियल जॉइंट केयर फिजियोथेरेपी एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर, ऑपोजिट मिनी सेक्रेटरीट, चंडीगढ़ रोड, होशियारपुर। कॉल 9915719555।